to equip you with a clear understanding of how to identify the core problem, analyze its significance, and determine whether their proposed solution meaningfully addresses it. This module is foundational to validating any business idea and is centered on matching customer pain points to a relevant solution that solves them effectively. What is problem-solution fit? Problem-solution fit is the state where the problem you're addressing is a real, painful, or urgent need, and your solution adequately solves it in a way that customers find valuable. Before rushing to build a business, product, or service, entrepreneurs must first ensure they truly understand the problem they are solving and that their solution directly matches that problem. Many founders fail because they fall in love with their solution before deeply understanding the customer's actual pain point. Think of problem-solution fit as the diagnosis phase in medicine. You don't prescribe treatment until you are sure of the illness. In business, you don't scale a product until you are sure of the problem-solution clarity. Why is problem-solution fit crucial? Eliminates guesswork. It stops entrepreneurs from building solutions based on assumptions. Assumptions kill startups. Validation creates clarity. Customer relevance. When the solution fits the problem, customers are more likely to adopt it, pay for it, and spread it. Foundation for product-market fit. Without problem-solution fit, product-market fit is impossible. PMF builds on the idea that you have the right solution for the right problem in a market that cares. Investor confidence. Investors want proof that you are solving a real problem. A strong problem-solution fit increases your credibility and traction. Reduces wasted resources. When you know what problem you're solving and how, you avoid building unnecessary features, marketing to the wrong people, or launching too early. Characteristics of a good problem. A good entrepreneurial problem meets these conditions. 1. It's real and experienced by a defined audience. 2. It is painful or expensive enough that people seek solutions. 3. There are current solutions that are outdated, inefficient, or overpriced. 4. People are actively searching for better options. 5. It's specific and not vague or generalized. Example of a weak problem. Period. People don't like waiting. Example of a strong problem. Freelance graphic designers in Nigeria lose 3 to 4 hours a week waiting for client feedback due to poor communication tools. The stronger the definition of your problem, the easier it is to create and validate your solution. How to identify a real problem. Customer interviews. Ask open-ended questions that reveal pain points, not preferences. Don't ask, "Would you buy this?" Instead ask, "How are you currently solving this?" Observation and empathy. Watch how users interact with current products. Where do they struggle? What frustrates them? Social listening. Analyze discussions on Reddit, Twitter, Quora, Narrowland, Facebook groups, and forums to hear real voices in the wild. Review sites and complaint logs. Study bad reviews of competitor products. Those reviews often contain gold, real, unfiltered user pain points. Use the 5 whys. Ask why repeatedly until you get to the root cause of a user's frustration. Matching your solution to the problem. Once the problem is well defined, the solution should directly address the core pain point, be simple, understandable, and focused on one main value. Offer an improvement that is noticeable and measurable. Be better than current alternatives in at least one meaningful way. Faster, cheaper, easier, smarter, more accessible. For example, if the problem is people in rural areas lack access to healthcare, your solution might be a mobile clinic that visits these areas weekly, or a telemedicine platform with local language support. Ask yourself, is this solution exactly what they need? Would they say, "This is what I've been looking for"? Tools for clarifying problem solution. Fit. First problem solution canvas. A simple one-page framework that lays out the user segment, their problems, existing alternatives, your proposed solution, your value proposition. 2. Empathy map. Helps you visualize what the customer sees, hears, thinks, and feels. It ensures emotional alignment with the problem. Third lean canvas. Highlights problem, solution, key metrics, channels, and revenue streams on one page. Examples of problem-solution fit. Uber : Problem. People can't find reliable taxis easily in big cities. Solution: app-based ride-hailing service that connects drivers and riders on demand. Paystack. Problem: Nigerian businesses couldn't accept online payments easily. Solution: seamless developer-friendly payment gateway for Africa. FarmCrowdy. Problem: small-scale farmers lack access to funding and modern tools. Solution. Digital platform that connects sponsors to farmers to boost agriculture. Mindset tips: avoid building for yourself unless you are your target customer. Be data-driven, not dream-driven. Solve one problem at a time. A solution that tries to do everything usually solves nothing. Validate the problem before building the solution. Summary of key takeaways. Problem solution. Fit is the foundation of business validation. A good problem is real, painful, and worth solving. Your solution must directly address and relieve that problem. Use interviews, research, and analysis, not assumptions. Problem solution fit precedes product market fit.